A contemporary concrete facade graced with tropical landscaping weaves a serene narrative of balance and beauty. The smooth, minimalist surface of the concrete forms a canvas, its soft tones exuding quiet strength. Expansive windows frame views of cascading greenery, inviting sunlight to dance within. Tropical plants spill across the design, their vibrant leaves swaying gently, breathing life into the structured lines, delicate paths of stone wind through verdant foliage, guiding footsteps in harmony with nature's rhythm. This blend of raw materials and lush foliage provides a serene environment. The juxtaposition of solid shapes and natural softness conveys a sense of serenity, a sanctuary where modern design and the bright soul of the tropics blend seamlessly.